Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast issue in iOS 15.3.1. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn off background app refresh. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap journal. On the journal page, tap background app refresh. Turn off background app refresh. Tip number 2. Turn off allow apps to request to track. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap privacy. On the privacy page, tap tracking. Turn off allow apps to request to track. Tip number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap journal, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Tip number 4. Turn off Bluetooth. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. Tip number 5. Turn off Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Tip number 7. Turn off location services. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down. Tap privacy. Tap location services. Turn off location services. Again turn off. Thanks for watching this video.